Hey, I'm Danny Burnett from Neptune Marine Detailing in Miami, Florida. Came to get a training on ceramic coating, and when I arrived, I was welcomed by their staff. I was very impressed by the facility, how clean it was and organized, which is very important in our line of business. Then I met Sean, and he took me step by step on how to decontaminate the boat, how to properly prep the boat, and how to apply the DNA coating on it. Not only do they have one of the best facilities I've seen, they also work with the best tools. We were working with the Makita. When I started my business, I knew ceramic coating was one thing that I wanted to do, and I went around looking for different coatings, and the only answer I got was the price. I've never was offered a full in-depth training like I received here, and besides the training, I learned a lot of things that I can apply to my business, procedures, policies, marketing tools, and how to sell the product, because now I understand the product, how it works, how to maintain it, and how to offer it to my clients, new or existing clients. When I spoke to Sean, he told me that the training was going to be for 3 days, and I didn't think that it would take that long, but I mean, it's such an in-depth training. First, from decontaminating the boat, cleaning the boat, prepping the boat. I mean, 3 full days of just going through the boat with 4 or 5 guys on this 41 Bahama. Besides the great training, I mean, the coating itself, I mean, it lays on thick. I mean, we used it on a non-skid, on a smooth surface. But besides being thick, it's also very easy to work with. So you can tell that it's got that grip when you put it on there, you know. We sprayed it, we hand applied it. So I was just very impressed how, I mean, it was so user-friendly. When people would ask me for ceramic coatings, I never wanted to sell it to them because I was never confident enough to use it, or I was never explained how to use it. But leaving here, I mean, after spraying those engines, getting into every nook and cranny, every screw, behind every piston, I mean, we sprayed everything possible. I mean, and it looks awesome. I mean, even the plastics are gleaming. I know leaving here, Sean has my back. I mean, he's already sending me all the documents that I need to sell the product, let my clients know what the aftercare is, and I mean, anything I need, I can call him, whether it be for ceramic or for my business or for marketing. I know he's got my back. Sean even gave me his in-house progress sheet, so my guys can mirror exactly what goes down here in this factory. So we can do the same work and be as thorough with everything that we do, so the product lasts as long as it should. I just want to thank Sean for taking his time and really showing me the process. Every question that I had, I bugged him, that he answered every question to the best of his ability, and then some. Just want to thank the guys for letting me work in the warehouse with them, and now I know I'm ready to kick some butt.
Hey, listen, I just want to jump in here real quick. This is Danny Burnett. One more time, Neptune Marine Detailing. This guy, I'm backing him up, so if you're in the Miami area or even the Keys and you're looking for coating or detailing, I'm personally backing him, and I trust this guy with my life right now because he spent 3 good days with me, and I promise you're going to get a quality job out of him, and I'm going to also help make sure of that. So check him out, Neptune Marine Detailing out of Miami.